Hi friends, today we will discuss a very important topic which is very common to most of us. How to stop being lazy. How to stop being lazy. Laziness is disinclination to act. Although possessing ability to act, it is the disinclination to act, not desiring to act upon. It is unwillingness to spend energy on a task feeling difficulty. It's not that you don't have the energy or ability. You have the energy or ability, but you are unwilling to take it up. This may help you to be addicted to drugs and alcohol or smoking or use of tobacco. So being lazy, you will fail to achieve your goals. You may like a sedentary lifestyle and spoil your health, being overweight or obese. It will reduce your performance level in academic field or in workplace. This can lead to worry and anxiety. It can break your social relationships, your family relationships. Although one does not want to be lazy, but it is common phenomenon. It is necessary. How to overcome laziness, defeat procrastination and break through barriers. Author John Sonmez has revealed some secrets on the same in the book Stop Being Lazy, which may be read for details. You may read good blogs also, like Life Hack, Very Well Mind, and so many others. Positivity blog, healthline.com, and you should make it a habit to read such good blogs on and off. This may be augur well for you. You may listen to TED Talks, YouTube videos to improve your awareness and be inspired. I'm just discussing some 25 topics here. You may take care of the same at your convenience. Make your goals smartest goals. Smartest, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-bound, encouraging, satisfying, thrilling. So when you have smartest goals, you will certainly like to do something on it. Have positive self-talks. Tell yourself you can do something. Self-talk is very important. Have your surrounding environmental conditions conducive to working. So if it is so, it will automatically incite you to do some more. Do not expect yourself to be perfect always. Extreme perfection is a myth. Everything can be perfected. Everything can be made better. So have definite plan of action. Break down your jobs into chunks. Take up one small job at a time. So that will be easy and you will like to start it. Neglect external distractions which are beyond your control. Ask for help from experts, family members, relatives, neighbors, mentor, as an earned required. Recognize your success, even if small, celebrate improvements, and get necessary incitement. Get organized, practice mindfulness meditation. Think of benefits of remaining engaged in a job and contributions it can bring due to flow in actions. Make a checklist of desires and motivations. Take it up one by one. Exercise daily. It has no substitute. Take care of health on priority. Go for running, maybe only for 3 minutes. If required, practice jogging at one place at home. Once you start, you will go on. So have healthy eating habits. Take less sugar. Start with a small step forward and take care of your hobbies. Try cooking if possible. Try small. Start small. Review goals each week. Declutter your schedule. Practice stress management. Internal and external stressors. How you can manage your stress. Never give up. Always try to improve little bit. Use the Pomodoro technique. Change place of work if required. Half an hour work, 25 minutes work and 5 minutes rest in one place. That is enough. And then you take it up after some time. Or in another place if you like. Try to stay on track. Do a small part what matters most to you. Take care of your dreams. Use your strengths. Find your ideal self. So start doing something and certainly you will improve and your laziness quality will go away. So laziness must be felt. It is the disinclination and to act. Although you have the ability to act. So when you have the ability, why not to use it? Try your level best. Stop being lazy and enjoy life. Thank you. Wish you all the best.